Let me take you all into the world of two friends, Aman and Raj. Both hated English class. Aman would tremble every time he had to read aloud in the class. And Raj, he would just go silent, eyes fixed on the floor, and praying the teacher wouldn't call his name. Fast forward a few years, both get the biggest opportunity of their lives, a dream interview that could change their future. But there's a twist. It's completely in English. And the interview just 21 days away. 21 days from now, both have their dream interview entirely in English. No second chances, no shortcuts, just one chance to prove themselves. Aman panics. He runs to the bookstore, buys every grammar book he can find, fills his desk with highlighters, sticky notes, and confusion. Raj takes a deep breath and whispers to himself, there must be a smarter way. Two friends, one dream, 21 days. Who do you think will make it? Aman, who studies harder, or Raj, who studies smarter? And maybe, just maybe, you will see yourself in the story. Train your mouth, not your memory. Most people think that fluency is just about learning more grammar, more vocabulary, but that's not true. Your mouth speaks English, not your memory. In the first week, Raj didn't even open a grammar book. He just trained his mouth muscles. Every morning, he stood in front of the mirror and said simple sentences out loud, just like, I'm brushing my teeth, I'm getting ready for work, I'm having breakfast now, I'm feeling sleepy today, I don't feel like studying today, I don't know why I'm doing this, will I be able to crack the interview? Will it be okay if I don't study grammar rules? At first, he sounded awkward and he was not confident. But by day 4, he started enjoying it. But remember, he was not memorizing, he was building muscle memory. Think about it. When you learned your first language, did you study any grammar rules? As a child? As a baby who started speaking? No. You spoke, you made mistakes, and you repeated. That's all you did. So, tip for the first 7 days. For the first 7 days, don't chase accuracy, chase comfort. Speak for 5 minutes about anything that you see: your room, your breakfast, your window, your plans, your future. By day 7, you will realize that you will stop thinking in your mother tongue before speaking English. Create your own mini English world. While Aman spent nights memorizing grammar rules, Raj changed his environment. How? He switched his phone's language to English. He followed English YouTubers, podcasts, and creators that he actually enjoyed, not the boring ones. Learning English doesn't have to be boring. Even while cooking or cleaning or while doing any work at home, he would just play English conversations in the background. Mind you, his goal was not perfection. His goal was immersion. He immersed himself in English language. On day 10, something surprising happened. Before moving ahead, I would like to introduce you to Sparky. That's an AI application. If you don't have anyone to practice English with, it can serve as your speaking partner. It corrects you gently and gives you feedback for every dialogue of yours. It can be used anytime, anywhere, plus it is super affordable. To understand clearly, let's watch a quick demo. I would recommend all of you try this app and level up your English speaking skills. You will find the link in the description of this video.
Hello. Today we will learn to introduce ourselves. Tell me one thing that you would like others to know about you.
I am 5 years working experience. I have a BSc degree.
Great effort. You shared good information. Try saying, I have 5 years of work experience and a BSc degree. What do you enjoy most about your job?
Now, let's go back to Raj and Aman's world. On day 10, something surprising happened. He started thinking in English. Raj caught himself saying, where's my phone? Instead of saying, phone kahan par hai? Instead of translating from his mother tongue. That's when he realized you don't learn English by memorizing it. You learn English by living in it. He started living in English. So the tip 2 is build your own English bubble. For 1 week, surround yourself with the language, AI chats, videos, music, subtitles, and friends who can connect with you. Your brain will adapt faster than you can imagine. Tell me in the comments, what's one small change you can make today to live in English language? Build real confidence. Now, here most English learners fail. They prepare words, not confidence. You cannot memorize the confidence, it comes from within. You can memorize a few sentences or words, but you will fumble the moment you are in front of that person. You don't have to memorize words, you have to build confidence in yourself. Aman knew every grammar rule but couldn't speak in front of people. And Raj, he focused on building comfort with discomfort. So he was okay if he was uncomfortable around people. He started becoming more confident when he faced people. Every night, Raj recorded himself for 2 minutes speaking on any random topic. For example, my biggest goal, places I want to visit, a person who inspires me, a funny incident that happened today. At first, his voice shook. He made mistakes. He fumbled. He got stuck while speaking every single day. But by day 17, he started smiling while recording himself. He had become his own audience. Confidence isn't built when you get it right. Confidence is built when you don't quit even after getting it wrong. That is confidence. So you don't have to chase perfection. You have to just show up every day. Record yourself. Watch it. Smile at your mistakes. That's how you desensitize your fear. Start laughing at your mistakes to overcome your fear. Otherwise, your fear will always be bigger than your goals. By day 20, Raj wasn't fluent, but he was fearless. Being fearless is better than being fluent because fluency will come gradually. Some people are fluent in English, but they have so much fear that they can't speak confidently. So Raj had become fearless, but not fluent. Day 21, the interview day, the day both had been waiting for, finally arrived. Aman walked in, clutching a notebook filled with notes. He had noted down a lot of grammar rules. His hands trembled. Raj walked in calm and smiling. No notes, no grammar sheets, just confidence, built through practice. The interviewer smiled and said, "Tell me about yourself." Aman started, my name is Aman," and just froze. Raj took a deep breath and said, "Sure, my name is Raj, and I believe communication is the key to connection." Words flowed naturally, effortlessly. The difference wasn't knowledge, it was mindset. After this interview, Aman realized something profound, that I studied English, but Raj lived in it. A week later, the results arrived. Raj cracked the interview, but Aman didn't. But Aman didn't stop there. He joined Raj, and together they started a 21-day English speaking challenge for others. So, what's the lesson here? You can't learn English by just reading it. You master it by feeling it, speaking it, and living in it every single day. Stop waiting for a perfect sentence. Start speaking your imperfect sentences. Because English isn't about grammar, it's about connection. It's a language which is meant to connect with people. It is to convey your thoughts, not to impress other people. Now, here's your challenge. For the next 21 days, talk for at least 5 minutes daily, no matter what. It could be anything. Change your phone language. Watch at least one English video every single day, be it conversation, comedy, interview, anything, and summarize the whole video aloud. Record your progress every 3 days. Do this, and in just 21 days, you will not just learn English, you will own it because you will start living in it. So, are you ready to begin? Type day 1 in the comments and let's walk this journey together. If Aman and Raj can do it, so can you. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do give it a thumbs up and do share it with your friends and family and anyone who is afraid of speaking English and waiting for the perfect moment. Just share this video with them and do let me know in the comments how you liked this video.